In Excel. I'm sure we must have learned or heard about data visualization in probably other visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, and the rest of the others. But today we're going to see how to use how to visualize our insights in Excel. So by way of explanation or definition, we say that data visualization refers to the process by which we represent our data or our insights through graphical formats such as charts, graphs, and tables to make it easier to understand and to analyze the patterns and the trends that we have generated from our data. Now, Excel offers a wide range of tools that can enable us to do that. These tools include charts, pivot charts, conditional formatting, sparklines, and the rest of the others. Excel's visualization tools are very user-friendly, as we would see shortly, and it helps beginners and both professionals to turn raw data into meaningful insights for good decision making process. So without further ado, we will get into it and see how we can use these charts, especially pivot charts, to represent this information or these insights that we have generated on our screen. We remember the last class that we had on pivot tables and how we generated these insights from our pivot table environment. Okay, so we're going to represent these informations now with our charts. But first of all, we need to create our dashboard. Okay, I've started the process already. All what I did here was to merge, select a range of cells and merge it, and then I inserted a text box here, gave it a title, which is the title of the company I'm working for. Now this is their logo, very important. You have to put into consideration like I said before, I think I said it, I can't remember, put into consideration the people that you're working for. Then the colors that you will be using, be sure that it tells a story. Remember, our dashboard tells a story. It doesn't just, we're not just building a dashboard, there has to be a story that it is telling. Now the same boxes I inserted here, I duplicated each of this so that it will be uniform. Now what do I want to do here? I want to put my key performance indicators. We talked about key performance indicators. They are the essential things that we want our clients to see, or your audience to see, whether they are from a technical background or from a non-technical background. Once they look at our dashboard, they will see that working. Okay, so we get to this place and we want to show as our key performance indicator the sum total of people involved in the crime. We copy this, paste it here, then we get to our dashboard, go to the formula bar, press equal to sign. All right, make this sorry. First of all, you make this active. Go to our formula bar, press equal to sign, get back to our analysis sheet, highlight this and press enter. You will see that it has come over to our dashboard. And what do we call this? This is the total number of people involved in the crime. We could say sum of addicts, or total number of people. Anyone, okay, sum of addicts, let's call them addicts. It's equal to this. Now for this, we can increase this. Again, we can increase the fonts here. You can highlight this, you can get to these text options here, can give it a shadow if you so wish. Give it a shadow. Okay, but I need to highlight this. Oh, why is it not highlighting? First of all, no fill. Okay, now our texts, let me see. Okay, text, the black color is okay for it. I'm trying to see how to highlight this. I don't know why it's giving us some trouble, but okay, I will still get back to that. For our shape, we can again give it a color. Sorry, shape options, you can just right click on it if the other ones are misbehaving. Go to shadow. I just want to beautify it a little bit. Yes, that's just what I'm doing, nothing more. Come to this place, get to home, remove the background, no fill. I don't want anything inside of it. The same process we took, we highlight this, we go to our formula bar, press equal to, we come to our analysis sheet. The next thing, or before that, before this, let's copy out this total number of females involved. Copy, let's keep it here, Control V. Let's get to yes, press escape, and then this is active already. We'll press equal to and get back to our analysis sheet, make this active, press enter. So we'll call this sum of female, females equals to this. You can highlight that. I don't know why it's not highlighting. Okay, ordinarily it should highlight so that you can do whatever you want to do with it. Now the next one, go back to here to your home tab and you remove the fill color. I just want to remove the fill color. It's not like that is the standard. All right, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so we get back to work, go to our analysis sheet. We want to carry the total number of male involved in this. This is our visualization sheet. Click on this equal to sign, get back to this place, make this active, press enter, and this is the sum of females. Call it sum of males rather. Good. So we can continue our process. Give this that. Good. No, it's not nice. We can just leave it as it is. I think this would do. I don't want this video to be too long, so I guess this is okay. All right, our meals can give it that call. Let's see if this would should be active. Black for this. Okay, this. Okay, now we have imported our KPIs. We have our KPIs active, right? This, make it bold. Okay, this is still, make this bold. Click on this one, get to home, make it bold. Okay, you can increase the font. Good job. Same thing here. Get 14. Okay, make this active. Come to this place, increase the font to 14 as well, and same with this one, increase the font to 14 so that it will have everything uniform. Good. Now it's clear enough. For this, we can make it bigger because it is the title of what we are doing. 20. Okay, increase the fonts, make it 20. All right, now this can work, right? So we have our KPIs imported, we have our title, we have we have what else, the logo of our company. It's now time to represent our work with the charts, that we want to use. Right, now we would go to our insert button, go to pivot charts. Remember I said that pivot charts are best used when working on Excel. So we'll import our pivot charts here to enable us in the work that we want to do. We will look for the right chart here. Let's call our column charts. Okay, now mind the colors and mind everything to work together with what you have. The first one we want to represent is this one. Click on this, click on this, go to your insert, import your column chart. Now we have different kinds of charts here where you can pick from, but this is okay for me. I just need to remove the grid lines, remove the legend. Then on the axis, I want the vertical axis to go, so I'll uncheck it. Right, now the title, yes, the chart title should be area with the highest crime rate, or area with the highest crime, area with the highest crime. This, you can edit it, make it bold, can give it a color, maybe red. All right, you can come to this place, add some aesthetics to it. All right, add some aesthetics to it, give it some layout color. All right, yes. And then what else? It could, if you want to do some more, you can. Right, I want to remove this, so I right click on this, I say hide all of it. Now I have this, so I can equally work on this one, make it bold. Can make it bold from here, increase the size, give it a deeper color, deeper black color. Good. Now my bars, they are not left out. You can give it a shadow, make it look stronger. choose whichever one that suits you most. Let's go with this. Give your bars a color. If you give it black, the shadow, then the fill-in color, the fill color. If you say solid fill, wow, you can choose another color, right? That may not be too shouty. Nope. Just make it look red or dark red, or you can go for more colors if you can't see what you're looking for. You can choose something here and click OK. That's fine. Okay, this could work. For this one, I would want to have a fill color to it. When I put a fill color to it, let's see what happens. Say black. Let's give it a fill color, black, and okay, and then the entire chart, you can give it a shadow this way. All right, can reduce it so that it can be contain, just make it look the way you want it to look, but make it to be very presentable. Now we copy this, take it back to here, and we can paste it. See, the reason I'm doing this, good, so that everything would have the same color. We see area with the highest crime, area with the highest crime. You see, very obvious, it is the down, it's the urban. You can add your data labels to it. Can add your data labels to it. Just check the labels, and the labels, you can make it bold. Okay, go to your home button, make it bold, increase the black color. Yeah, so the first table, the first chart is good. We are okay with it. We go back to this and pick the second one. Right, pick the second one that shows the highest drug that these people take, the drug that tops the chart. Click on this, the same process. I'll keep this as a referral so that everything will be on the same line. Okay, now we can edit. You can edit it, choose, okay, this is where you choose the one that suits you more, and you would remove the grid lines again, remove the legend, then the axis. I want to remove the vertical, good, and then again remove this, or hide it, actually not removing it, and this one as well, hide it because I don't want to see it. Then here, the drug that is mostly taken, drugs, the drug that is consumed more, all right, and then you work on this as well, make it bold, make sure it's uniform with the other one. We have red color in it, So we will leave the red color, have a filling color which is black. Our bars, give it a color, filling color which is dark red. All right, and then this, we get to this place, we make it bold, we increase the black color. Yeah, we can increase this so that the names will enter. Good. And we copy this, get to our dashboard sheet and paste it. It's not a must that all of them must have the same color, but for sake of uniformity, I just put it this way. Now you can give it still a shadow like you did before. Good. And then data label. Make your data labels bold enough so that anybody can see them, and then increase the black color. Sorry, there's no way. Make this bold. Increase the black color. Get back to this. This is supposed to be the filling color is supposed to be red. The font color rather supposed to be red. Now this is good. All right, it tallies with this. And okay, this one we need to make it bold as well. Make it bold, and we need to give its color black and make it bold. Good. Now we see that our background is white, and what we are talking about is drugs, harmful substance. Most times it's represented with red, and the color for the company you're working for has this red and dark blue or black in it. So everything tallies. All right, everything that you're using to work here tallies. We're not done yet. We need to represent the rest of the others. We have the ratio of male to female. Now most times when you're showing proportion, it's good to use, when you're showing proportion, it's good to use a pie chart or the rest of that. Now for this, we'll use a pie chart to represent it. It is industry practice to use a pie chart to represent the work that you're doing when you want to show proportion. And in this case, we are showing the ratio of male to female, which is what we can see here. It's something that you can refer to as proportion. So we remove the legend. Chart title, we need it, and then we can remove this as well. We hide it, and then we work on this. We give it a color red, and maybe let's say white and red. Okay, now we need to break it apart a little bit so that we can give each of this a color. And the border line, let's see, let's give it a black color. Yeah, the width, okay, it's okay this way. All right, keep moving, just give it whatever color that suits you. You can make it stronger by um in giving a shadow to it or making it look this way. I need this inner shadow to be effective. Okay, now I want to demarcate them. Angle of first slice, is this okay? And then this, good. I want it to be a bit apart. Yeah, so I can give this a different color. Yeah, I can give this let's say black. Good. Yes, and then this I can give it a border color red. Let's give it a border color red, or let's give it a border color of white and a fill color of red. Fill color red. This is okay. All right, now what else? We can give each of that strong shadow. All right, and our shadow, we can still make it red, or let's see if the inner shadow would show, because I need it to show. Okay, I think this, you don't just this, I think this is enough design for it. This is ratio of male to female, male to female. And then okay, again we can give this black color, then a fill color, again the fill color of red, sorry, black. Yeah, let's give it a black color. And for this, for the font color, we give it red, so that it will be uniform with the others. You can increase it a little bit, increase this a little if you want to. You can still give this a shadow. You must not always give a shadow. I just want to make it look unique. Then data label, and then I give my data labels, make it bold so that it can be seen, and give it a color white. Good. Copy this, copy the entire work, copy, come to my dashboard and paste it. My dashboard is getting filled up already. So what do I do? What do we do? Yeah, increase it some more to enter our dashboard space. I would still increase it some more. Here I would merge some more cells. Go to home, go to merge cells. That's right. So you may not, anybody at all would not really see or notice what happened. Good. This is the work we have here. Can bring it down a little bit, then shift it here, then okay, bring it down to, and then you can give this a shadow as well. Give this a shadow, or any kind of this shadow is not so effective, so let's find a suitable shadow for it. I want to give it I think this one is good, so you take it up a bit, and that is that. Right, now the next one is the last one. All right, we want to show the how much we want to show the details of the crime. Go back to our insert. Okay, make this active. Go back to our insert, use your column chart to do that. You could use this stacked column. Yes, let's see how this works. Can expand this. All right, I'm not sure this will enter our chart, but let's see. Control copy. Let's see. Control V. You look so different from the rest. See, I said it's not gonna enter our chart, but let's keep working. Let's see what to do. It's not gonna enter our dashboard. All right, we can change it and use stacked column. Go to insert. Still must not be over on your analysis page that you can change. You can change anywhere. Let's see if we can use any of these. Okay, let's see if this will work. This, let's use our stacked column here. Now here we remove the grid lines, remove. Okay, let's allow the legend this time so that anybody looking at this would see what each of the colors represent. All right, now on the axis we can remove the vertical. Yes, remove the vertical, and then we hide the filled buttons. We hide the filled buttons. Then we start our designing or adjustments as the case may be. So we say we use details of the crime, details of the crime committed, good. Same process that you took for all the other ones. Make this bold and give it a color. But first of all, you can give it a fill color, which is black, and then give the font a color that is red, and then you can give it a shadow like this. We know this is working. Okay, and then for our, let's change our chart to stacked column charts. It better represents the work. Stacked column, good. This represents the work better. So for this, we can equally increase this, make it bold, give it a black color. Yes, and then work on our bars. Start working on our bars. Okay, let's see, our bars has dark red color. It's not taking effect. Fill colors for our bars. Let's see. Okay. our bars. Okay, I will have to remove that. Let's see. Black. The other one. Okay. Let's see. Deep blue. And the next level. The next bar. The next bar we can say is white, some shades of white, and upper bar we give it red. Then we can say no fill. Good. Right, this is actually working now. Okay, then for this we make it bold just like the other ones and give it a black color. Good. Now if we put our data labels on this, if we choose to put our data labels on this, it will look very clustered. You see, it makes no sense. So it's better we keep it away. If you hover around it, it should be active. From your analysis, you can tell them what each of those things represent, the values in it. All right, yeah. And then for your entire charts, you can give it a shadow, something like this. Good. Now our work is looking good. You see, we have a chart for this company that represents tells a story. You see, it's a drug data, number of addicts, number of females involved, number of male involved in this. All right, we have area with the highest crime as a result of the drugs that is being taken, the drugs that is most consumed, the ratio of male to female, and the details of the crime that is being committed by these people. It tells a unique story. All right. I'm trying to see how to expand this more. Okay, so that we'll appreciate our work more. Okay, so this is what we have. This is how our work looks like. Very simple, elegant. All right, now you can increase this, you can screen grab this and send it out. This is our dashboard for this particular work that has been done here. All right, very up to date, very accurate, very responsive. Reduce this. Okay, let's reduce it a bit more so that we can see the work that we have done. This is our dashboard and this is how it looks like. When you screen grab this, is going to be all these line breaks rather, is not going to be there. Thank you guys.